Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Healthtap, Primary Care Doctors, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Healthtap is a primary care and virtual health service app designed to connect users with licensed doctors for online consultations. It offers video visits, text-based medical advice, prescription refills, and ongoing primary care memberships. Available on both iOS and Android, the app aims to make medical help more accessible and affordable without long clinic wait times. Users can browse doctor profiles, schedule appointments, and get answers to non-emergency health questions from certified physicians. The app's main feature is its virtual primary care system. Users can choose a dedicated doctor, have follow-up visits, manage prescriptions, and access lab testing orders. It also provides a large library of doctor-answered questions, which helps users learn about common health concerns. Healthtap's 24/7 urgent care option lets you connect with the next available doctor within minutes for quick guidance. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, fast response times, and the ability to build a long-term relationship with a personal online doctor. The pricing is often more affordable than traditional clinics, and the app interface is simple, making it easy to navigate appointments and medical records. However, there are some drawbacks. Healthtap cannot replace in-person care for emergencies or physical examinations, and certain health issues may still require a clinic visit. Some users report occasional delays or limited doctor availability during peak hours. Additionally, membership fees may be expensive depending on the user's location or medical needs. In summary, the Healthtap app may be worth using if you want accessible, virtual primary care, quick doctor consultations, and affordable medical support from home. However, if you prefer in-person checkups or require frequent physical examinations, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.